Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English podcast. My name is Daniel. I am very happy you are here today.
Hello, I am Anna. Thank you for joining us. Today we speak slowly. We use simple English. Everything is clear. Everything is friendly.
Yes. Today, we talk about greetings. And we talk about how native speakers talk at work.
This is a good lesson. It helps you talk to people. It helps you work with people. It helps you feel confident.
So relax, listen, and speak with us. Part 1. Simple greetings. Let's start with greetings. Greetings are very important. Greetings help you begin a conversation.
Yes. A greeting is the first step. It is like opening a door.
The simplest greeting is hello.
Yes. Just hello. Very easy.
You can also say hi.
Hi is friendly. Hi is short. People say it every day.
And many people say hey. But hey is more casual, not always good for work.
Yes. Hey is for friends or people close to you.
Let's practice. Hello, Anna.
Hi, Daniel.
How are you today?
I'm good. And you?
I'm good too. Part 2. Feelings in greetings. When someone asks, how are you? You can say many things. For example, I'm good. I'm fine. I'm okay. I'm great.
Yes. And if you feel tired, you can say, I'm tired.
If you feel sad, you can say, I am a little sad.
If you feel happy, you can say, I am happy today.
Let's show an example. Hi, Anna. How are you today?
I'm great today. I feel happy.
That is nice.
But sometimes I am tired.
Yes, we all get tired. Part 3. Work greetings. At work, greetings can be a little more formal.
Yes. People often say, good morning, good afternoon, good evening.
These are polite. These are professional. Example. Good morning, Anna.
Good morning, Daniel. Did you sleep well?
Yes, thank you.
Part 4. Small talk at work.
At work, people use small talk. Small talk means simple conversations, friendly conversations, not serious.
Yes. Examples of small talk at work. How was your weekend? Nice weather today. Did you eat breakfast? How is your family? Are you busy today?
Let's show an example. Good morning, Anna.
Good morning, Daniel. How was your weekend?
My weekend was nice. I met my family. And you?
I stayed home. I rested. It was good.
That sounds nice.
Part 5. How native speakers talk at work.
Many English learners want to know how native speakers talk at work.
Yes, native speakers speak in a friendly and simple way, but sometimes they speak fast.
Today, we speak slowly for you, but we teach real phrases native speakers use.
Here are some common phrases. Can you help me? Can I ask something? I'm not sure. No problem. Sounds good. I agree. I don't agree. I think so. I'm busy right now.
Let's use these in a short example. Anna, can you help me?
Sure. What do you need?
I'm not sure about this number.
No problem. Let me check.
Thank you.
Part 6. Asking for help.
At work, asking for help is very normal. It is okay to ask.
Yes. Native speakers ask for help all the time. Simple phrases. Excuse me, can you help me? Can you explain this? I don't understand. Can you show me? I need help with this part.
Let's practice. Excuse me, Anna. Can you explain this form?
Yes, of course. This form is for your work hours.
Oh, I see. Thank you.
No problem.
Part 7. Talking with your boss. Talking with your boss can feel scary, but you can use simple English.
Yes. Just be polite. Speak clearly. You can say, "Good morning. Thank you for your time. I finished the work. I have a question. I need more time. I understand. I will try my best."
Let's show an example. Good morning, Anna.
Good morning, Daniel. How can I help you?
I finished the report.
Good job. Thank you.
I have one question.
Yes.
Should I add photos?
Yes, please add 2 photos.
Okay, I will do that. Part 8. Talking with new coworkers.
When you meet new coworkers, you can say, "Nice to meet you. I'm happy to work with you. What is your job? Let's work well together."
Example. Hi, nice to meet you. I'm Daniel.
Nice to meet you, Daniel. I'm Anna.
What is your job?
I am the team assistant. And you?
I am the project manager.
I am happy to work with you.
Me too. Part 9. Expressing work problems.
Sometimes we have problems at work. We must tell others.
Yes. Here are simple ways. I have a problem. I don't understand this part. There is a mistake. I need more time. I am confused. I'm not finished yet.
Example.
Anna, I have a problem with this email.
What is the problem?
I don't understand the last line.
It means the meeting will be online.
Oh, thank you.
No problem.
Part 10. Meeting English.
Many people do not like meetings, but with simple English, meetings are easier.
Yes. In meetings, you can say, I have an idea. I think. I agree. I disagree. Can you repeat that? Please speak slowly. Meeting example. Today, we talk about the new schedule.
I think the schedule is good,
I agree.
but we need more time in the morning.
I understand.
Can we meet again tomorrow?
Yes, that sounds good. Part 11. Native speaker habits.
Native speakers often use short, friendly phrases.
Yes, some common ones are sounds good, no worries, all right, got it, sure thing, thanks a lot, will do, let's practice,
Anna, can you send me the new file?
sure thing,
Thank you.
no worries. Part 12. Friendly work talk.
People at work also talk about simple daily things. These help build friendship.
Yes. Examples? Did you eat lunch? I'm tired today. It's busy today. I need coffee. The weather is nice. Anna. Example.
Hi, Daniel. Did you eat lunch?
Yes, I ate rice. And you?
I ate noodles.
Nice. Part 13. End of day talk.
At the end of the workday, people say things like, have a good evening, see you tomorrow, take care, good night, see you later,
Example.
see you tomorrow, Anna.
See you tomorrow, Daniel. Have a good evening. Part 14. Ending the podcast. Thank you for listening to our podcast today. We hope this helps your English.
Yes, today you learned greetings, simple phrases, and how native speakers talk at work.
Yes, practice these lines every day.
And speak slowly, speak clearly.
You are learning. You are improving.
We are proud of you.
Thank you for joining us.
See you next time.
Bye.